every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
सारा जमाना हॉटीज का दीवाना जमाना कहे सुन लो ये बाबा मस्ताना सारा जमाना हॉटीज का दीवाना जमाना कहे सुन लो ये बाबा मस्ताना सारा जमाना
क्या आलतू कह रहा है
क्या फालतू कह रही है
कि तुम भी आज सुन लो,
रेडियो को ट्यून कर लो
ये दिल को बहला दे,
रूह को भी शाद कर दे
जो कभी भी घट ना हो।
दिल में मजा वो भर दे सुन लो मेरी बात सारा जमाना और इसका दीवाना
बिहारी का दीवाना,
जमाना कहे सुन लो
जमाना कहे सुन लो,
ये बाबा मस्ताना
ये बाबा मस्ताना।
ये सारा जमाना
और जब भी आए
खुशियाँ भी साथ लाए
हर मर्ज की दवाएं,
हर दर्द भी मिटाए
महिमा से हमने सीखा
जीने का ये तरीका
जी भर के मुस्कुराना,
दिल खोल के गुनगुनाना सीख लो बन जा सारा जमाना
सारा जमाना
हॉटीज का दीवाना
बिहारी का दीवाना,
जमाना कहे सुन लो
जमाना कहे सुन लो,
ये बाबा मस्ताना
ये बाबा मस्ताना।
है सारा जमाना
सारा जमाना
हॉटीज का दीवाना
बिहारी का दीवाना,
जमाना कहे सुन लो
जमाना कहे सुन लो,
ये बाबा मस्ताना
मस्ताना।
ba 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 है सारा जमाना
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
आज तूने कुछ कहा, फालतू ने कुछ सुना, तू भी सुन बेखबर, ट्यून कर रेडियो को ट्यून कर। लाई है वही मजी, रेडियो ये मस्तानी, लाई है वही मजी, रेडियो ये मस्तानी, तेरी गली तेरे घर ट्यून कर, दी हॉट ट्यून कर। आज तूने कुछ कहा, फालतू ने कुछ सुना, तू भी सुन बेखबर, ट्यून कर रेडियो को ट्यून कर। ला 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 ला। टेंशन को भूल जा, पैम पैम शो आ गई, दिल लगी से भरी, ड्राइव टाइम शो आ गई, फन फॉर्मेशनल है ये, एजुकेशनल है ये, मस्ती भरा सा है ये, दिल पुकारा है ये, इस शो को ना मिस कर, ट्यून कर रेडियो को ट्यून कर। आज तूने कुछ कहा, फालतू ने कुछ सुना, तू भी सुन बेखबर, ट्यून कर, दी हॉट ट्यून कर। ला ला है कौन क्या खबर, बंधु है सब मगर, रेडियो पे है कहीं बंधु के हम सफर। रेडियो बजा फोन लगा, गाना सुन गप्पे लड़ा, रेडियो बजा फोन लगा, गाना सुन गप्पे लड़ा, पैम पैम के हम सफर। कॉल कर रेडियो को ट्यून कर। आज तूने कुछ कहा, फालतू ने कुछ सुना, तू भी सुन बेखबर, ट्यून कर, ओहो हो कॉल कर। ला 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 ला। डी हॉटीज रेडियो शो सुनते हैं जब सभी, डी हॉटीज रेडियो शो सुनते हैं जब सभी, दिल से सब हंसते हैं, बंधु बने हर कोई, स्ट्रेस को भूल कर दिल तू लगा लिया भी, डी हॉटीज के रेडियो पर ट्यून कर, ओहो हो कॉल कर। आज तूने कुछ कहा, फालतू ने कुछ सुना, आज तूने कुछ कहा, फालतू ने कुछ सुना, तू भी सुन बेखबर, ट्यून कर रेडियो को ट्यून कर। लाई है महिमा जी
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
नमस्कार
Namaste.
नमस्कार
Vanakkam.
खुशामदीद
Assalamualaikum.
सत श्री अकाल
Kandariki Vandanamu.
जय स्वामी नारायण
जय श्री कृष्णा.
जय जनेन्द्र
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद.
मौलानी मतलब बोलते हुए सारे फीजी बड़े ईसा बोला बदजार हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैं से फालतू बाबा
And of course, myself, Faltu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक drive time show that's gonna make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंदू जानी. सो जो भी कर रहे हैं करती रहिएगा, कोई बात नहीं.
करते रहेगा स्वस्थ रहेगा बिकॉज आज का शो आपको सोचने में मजबूर कर देगा
Exactly.
क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक हमने चूज किया है बंजा कॉल्ड सोशल इश्यूज सोमवार जहाँ पे हम लोग एक्चुअली देख रहे हैं कि हमारी इंडियन सिनेमा
हाँ.
कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अपनी जो कर्तव्य है निभा रही है.
हाँ.
Now, by the way, Indian cinema is never tasked to do anything.
हाँ.
Unfortunately, neither were asked to do anything.
That's
But,
true.
Yeah.
That's true, Realtu. Was neither was asked to do anything. Forget about being tasked to do anything, right? तो आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना है 408-912-2479. अगेन 408-912-2479. ये है हमारे लिए स्टूडियो का नंबर एंड आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करके हमारे साथ शेयर करना है ऑन 408-912-2479. एंड आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो डी हॉटीज बंदूजन जो आप सुन सकते हैं ऑन योर iOS एंड एंड्रॉइड एंड ऑल्सो ऑन द फेसबुक पेज. आप हमें लाइव देख सकते हो. इसके बाद आप हमें कैच भी कर सकते हो ऑन यूट्यूब जहाँ पे रेडियो डी हॉटीज अब उनका चैनल है एंड चैनल बोल दिया मैंने.
सही है तू सही में
I asked you.
you asked you अरे बच्चे लेकिन आज हम लोग we going to talk about some of the movies which actually Indian cinema has talked about which have brought light to some of these social issues, right? Either they have created social issues or they actually have come with social issues. Fadhani, which movie comes to mind for you when you actually think of anything social? Like,
Recently, there was one particular movie, Altu Baba, which I think we should start off with.
Which
जहाँ पे
one?
एक मूवी जो बहुत ही intricately explore करती है the option of the issue that happens between a husband and a wife.
oh really? Which one?
जहाँ पे इतना लोगों को इतना टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड हो जाते हैं स्पेशली वाइफ बिकम सो टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड कि कोई भी गुस्सा हो तो बीवी को एक थप्पड़ मार के बीवी पे निकाल दे.
Oh my
और
God.
सॉरी बोलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं लेकिन पूरा जस्टिफाई करेंगे कि वो कैसे सही है वो कैसे
You know what? Let's do this, Fatwani. I know which talking about. Now, ये फिल्म था थप्पड़ बंदूजन. उसमें से एक आपको गाना लगाएंगे हम लोग थोड़ी देर में. I will come back right after the buzzer. Don't worry, keep right here on your favorite network, Radio Hotties. And ये गाना, of course, आपके लिए आएगा from the movie थप्पड़ बंदूजन. This actually is a movie which actually was I would say this movie is talking about a bunch of things, a bunch of issues which actually they brought to light. One, of course, is the overall status of women in our society, unfortunately, and how women themselves can sometimes get caught up in this thing where they have to, they kind of tend to start saying the same thing what society wants them to see, Manajan. In other words, it is an issue to think about, right? Because culturally we have been asking, we have suppressed women so much, they feel subjugated. But it actually is about domestic violence, but not, well, अगर कोई देखेगा सुनेगा काफी ज़्यादा बोला रहे यार बस थप्पड़ी तो है. But then again, it's about self-respect as well. A good movie. Tapsi Paul has done a good job in this movie, Baljan. Listen to the song, we'll be back after this.
जो बचा वो कौन सा है एक टुकड़ा धूप का अंदर अंदर मन सा है एक धागे में है उलझे के बुनते बुनते खुल गए हम थे लिखे
beautiful movie directed by, if I'm not mistaken, Anurag Saikia. Anurag Saikia, Badajan. And this particular song, well, actually, this movie was also all newcomers basically. So even the music director's part of it was new. Anurag Saikia himself was the music director also for this, and the lyrics was by Shakil Azmi. And sung by, of course, Raghav Chaitanya. A new singer again, but the song is called Ek Tukda Dhoop Ka. It's a very beautiful song. Listen to this.
टूटे फूटे ख्वाबों की है दुनिया में रहना क्या झूठे मूठे वादों की है लहरों में बहना क्या हो दिल में खाना है खुद को फिर से पाना है दिल के ही साथ में जाना है लौट के हम दोनों में जो बचा वो कौन सा है एक टुकड़ा धूप का अंदर अंदर मन सा है
And of course, Jan's beautiful song, and yeah, a movie touching upon multiple issues, Jan. Now you can give us a call here. Lines are open 4089122479 408912247 Hello, namaskar, Vibhaji, कैसे हैं आप? Welcome.
Hello.
कैसे हैं Vibhaji?
Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good. How are you guys doing?
Wonderful, Vibhaji. So nice to hear your voice, and of course, आज का show पे आपने call किया है social issues सोमवार. Now, first question to you, of course, is do you really think Indian cinema has touched upon social issues?
Yeah, I mean, if what Kavita is saying is correct, which I think it is, then sorry, not Kavita.
Faltu Rani.
Faltu Rani.
Okay.
If what she's saying is correct, then yeah, I think she was talking, about issues between husbands and wives, and how it's. I mean, it's so normal in movies. I mean, I think it's a little rarer these days, but if the husband's mad about something, he just gives the wife a slap across the face and kind of vents his frustrations out on her. So, I mean, two movies come to mind, when we talk about that type of thing, but it would not be, I mean, the husband's not slapping the wife in these two movies that I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of Abhiman, with Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan.
Yeah.
In which, she ends up being a more successful singer than him, and
Correct.
It's hard for him to digest her success. That's one movie. Another movie that was kind of similar, a more recent movie, I can't remember if it was Ki and Ka or Ki or Ka or Ka or Ki, something like that.
Ki and Ka. It's called Ki and Ka. Yes.
Yeah. And that was that guy who can't act. What's his name? Arjun Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor.
Well, notice the thing, right? It's actually the dynamics of the social dynamics, or should I say, dynamics between a husband and wife, right? And also the expectation, gender expectations. Very rightly
Right.
said, and you're right. In fact, they have been addressing this gender role thing for ages in Indian cinema. They have also propagated it, right? And also have challenged it, right? That's a good thing about Indian cinema, right, Faltwani?
Right.
Vibha's on air right now. Faltwani just joined us back on our online thing.
Yeah.
So very good. So Vibhaji is saying.
By the way, guess who else is sitting with me right now and watching you guys on the big screen? My daughter.
Whoa!
Super excited.
Yay, Jaina!
वो भी देख रही है और वो सोच रही है ये हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पे? How are these guys on
On
my
television?
That
screen?
is so awesome.
Thank you so much for doing
Yeah.
that. And hi, Jaina, how are you doing, sweetie? And yes, you too can give us a call next time if at all you find something interesting, okay? Because I don't know if Jaina watches movies, but I really want to see what she has to say about, how Indian cinema is impacting
They're
our lives.
waving at you. They're waving at you.
Yeah, there you
Yeah,
go.
so she's happy.
Wonderful.
So, yes, so guys, those are the two movies I can think of. Now, if you're talking about movies where this issue is kind of reversed, I don't know. I'm going to have to think a little more. It's 5 o'clock, so my brain generally starts winding down at this time.
No, don't worry. This is the time you got to wind down anyways because we are winding up everything else.
That's right.
So very good. Thank you. I think you
Alright,
gave us a
guys.
good movie, and we'll talk more about other issues as well. But first of all, thank you so much for bringing in this concept of Abhiman in the whole mix.
Yes, that's true.
Sure.
That's absolutely
you.
true. Thank you so much, Vibhaji, for calling in, and have a beautiful, fantastic evening.
Yeah.
तो बंदजान आप सुन रहे हैं सोशल इश्यूज सोमवार राइट हियर ऑन रेडियो डे हॉटीज जो आप एक्सक्लूसिवली सुन सकते हैं on the iOS and Android apps and also on facebook.com/radio Now, let us tell you, Banajan, this is a very different way of consuming media, right? देखो अभी nobody is driving. Hardly people are driving on the roads, right?
That's
Because most people are telecommuting. At least
Correct.
in our South Asian community, आधे के आधे लोग, because of the Delta virus, half of them are not going on the roads, right?
Yeah, yeah.
तो क्या होता है it was during COVID that this COVID creativity initiative जो हमारे आलतू बाबा लेकर आया after 455 days of sheltering in place, अगर आप सोच रहे हैं how did we figure out after 455 days? I'm looking at that scrolly at the bottom of the screen.
No, that's actually we opened up as of March, right?
Yeah.
March, April. No, sorry. In June we opened up.
Huh.
Right, June,
Yeah.
July. So July khatam ho gaya. So we actually have been 45 days after that, anyways.
Huh.
But the thing is, the shelter in place got opened up. So that's the number there. When we actually were sheltered in place with directive of Gavin Newsom
Huh.
for the past 445 days.
Right, exactly.
And right now, Bajan, the topic we're talking about is social issues bringing up. I really want to wait. I'm waiting for a Bollywood film to come in which talks about the social issue of masking.
Right. Huh? Oh.
The pandemic.
Right, the pandemic. Oh my God, yes.
Have you seen the OTT release recently? Have you seen the OTT release actually talking about that?
No.
But I do see some of the promos and some of the OTT movies that are wearing masks.
Yeah, I have actually watched some movies you watched which are wearing masks.
Trailers, previews.
अच्छा, I have watched shows. एक show आता है, लेकिन American show है. It's a show called
Nice.
All Rise in which they'll wear the masks and they show everything. They filmed. I think they continued filming during the pandemic too.
See,
but
yeah.
the way they filmed was with Zoom. They show how like a courtroom drama, right? So that's what they show how through Zoom rooms and stuff like
Correct.
that.
That's
Yeah.
good. That's what I want to see happen in Indian cinema. Because
Correct.
if you say Indian cinema is a particular reflection of our society, and society also kind of reflects Indian cinema, the life has not changed, right?
Huh.
But our not only that, our lives have changed also.
Yes.
Because our style of living, our lifestyles have changed. Our people are ordering food in more than actually getting thing, and people are eating more.
Yeah.
Tend to buy more nowadays.
Huh.
But the businesses are not able to sustain because they're not able to hire people. I don't think that's bullpucky. The point I'm making is they actually are saying that they're trying to maximize profits. That's it. Greed sets in one somehow or the other, but again, it's a social issue nevertheless. So now the people actually are working from home, commuting from home. Is it convenient for them or not? We don't know. Have issues increased? Probably yes. But are they being talked about on movie Indian cinemas?
Right.
Probably not. Will they be talked about it? I don't know. After today's show, probably they will. Right, but anyway, I want to just do what they want to give a break right now. We're going to go to a song break right now. They're going to play a song for the movie Key and Carl. But here's what I want to ask our bandhus, Faltwani. How about I talk about, let's see, I doubt Indian cinema has touched upon all social issues. Idhar udhar, yeah, sellable social issues, definitely yes. What have they is a question. How about this issue of access to education?
Right. Access
It is
to
a social
education.
issue. Access to education is a social issue.
Correct.
Access to higher education social issue. India we have something called a government school gives until 10th standard.
Oh yes.
Right, but let me
yes.
see if you guys think of a movie. Now, purane movies, not necessarily purane movies. Purane movie tha because in the time of I think 60s and 70s,
Correct.
50s, 60s, they were actually made only social cause movies.
Right.
The Bengali filmmakers, whoever we talk about, we revere so much. They all talked about social issues, widow remarriage, that thing, and then talked about child marriage. They talked about those things.
Yeah.
They talked about issues of unemployment, corrupt system. All those things have been talked about in 60s, 70s.
Right.
But there are more issues coming up right now, right?
Correct.
Now, one of the issues I talked about right now is access to higher education.
Right.
Right? Matriculation tak to hai hamare Indian cinema mein. Indian
Correct.
cinema has talked about, not Indian cinema, I would say Indian system mein we have free educational matriculation obviously. Now, also access to good quality higher education.
Right.
College level, whatever, for people to go on next level, right? Free access. I'm not talking about people who only can afford it.
Correct.
Even people who can't afford it. It actually was an issue. And thanks to one individual who actually took it upon himself to make it accessible to people, right? If they have the aptitude to learn, he said, why can't we give them the supports to learn?
Correct.
Right? And he was featured in multiple places across the world, actually. And a movie was made about him. What was the movie? Think about it and give us a call here. 408-912-2479. Were you able to identify which movie, Faltwani?
Yes, I was able to identify a movie, Banjan. In fact, we're talking about a particular privileged elitist kind of college that people would not be able to get into regardless आप कहाँ पे आप India में किसी भाग of India also could you possibly be in. It really doesn't matter. And what happens typically is that ये एजुकेशन इतना prohibitively expensive है और ये training classes इतना prohibitively expensive है that they can never get into these engineering colleges.
So that means equity is not there with access to education, right?
Correct.
So here's a nice song I'm going to play from Key and Ka, right?
Yeah.
Because Vibhaji talked about it. But
Yeah.
you guys have to think about which movie I'm talking about here and give us a call 408-912-2479.
Right.
And the issue, of course, is free access to people for higher education.
Especially engineering.
मेरी हर खुशी में हो तेरी खुशी मोहब्बत में ऐसा जरूरी नहीं तू जब मिलना चाहे ना मिल सकूं ना मिलना मेरा कोई दूरी नहीं मोहब्बत है ये जी हुजूरी 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 मेरी हर खुशी में हो तेरी खुशी मोहब्बत में ऐसा जरूरी नहीं मेरी हर खुशी में हो तेरी खुशी मोहब्बत में ऐसा जरूरी नहीं तू जब मिलना चाहे न मिल सकूं न मिलना मेरा कोई दूरी नहीं मोहब्बत है ये जी हुजूरी 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 नहीं मुझको एहसास है पर मैं कहता नहीं
मोहब्बत है ये जी हुजूरी नहीं
पास पहले के जितना मैं रहता नहीं
मोहब्बत है ये जी
ये तकाजा है मेरे हालात का लेना देना है नहीं कुछ भी जज्बात का
And of course, Banjan, a beautiful song from the movie Key and Ka Banjan, Mithun, and well, actually the lyrics is by Syed Qadri. Music direction is by Mithun. If you also can hear it, you actually can hear Mithun's voice. Mithun is the person who sang the song, right?
Yeah.
And the female voice actually is a new singer called Dipali. Well, it's a very nice song, but if at all you actually have not seen the movie, it's an interesting movie. You know, the movie actually, like how Vibha talked about, right?
Yeah.
It challenges the age-old propagation of gender roles.
Huh.
And how, actually speaking, Abhiman was a perfect contrast to it, right? See, Indian cinema have always talked. Even remember, recently we actually played a song for the movie Sharabi also, and they show how the housewife is supposed to be. Basically,
Oh, exactly. The wife has to like. I mean, unfortunately, it's like वो प्यार से बात करेगी तो वो बाहर जाके दारू शराब पी के नहीं आएगा. क्या nonsense है, seriously.
In this case, actually, Balaja, this guy is. If you're not seen the movie, I'm बोल रहा हूँ आपको. Arjun Kapoor's role is that of a person, individual who is educated, who's not like thing, but who prefers to just make a home, right? And she is a career-oriented woman. and of course she follows career, and they come together, right?
And Bandhujan, let's not take this for granted, okay? I'm going to give you it's not only in the Indian community. ये जो social issue है ना आलतू,
yeah.
ये सिर्फ इंडियन कम्युनिटी में नहीं है. हम लोग पहले एक स्टेशन पे हुआ करते थे जहाँ पे ये गोरे लोग थे जो ओन करते थे. उसमें से एक बंदा था जिसने एक्चुअली बोला कि जब हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि उनकी बीवी भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से पढ़ी लिखी है, राइट? तो जनरली उनका इतना मिसोजिनिस्टिक एटीट्यूड था कि कोई डिस्कशन में आलतू और मैं अगर जाते थे, जनरली आलतू से बात करते थे बिजनेस के बारे में, मेरे साथ बाकी गप्पे शप्पे लड़ाते थे, लेकिन बिजनेस के बारे में मोस्टली मेरे से बात नहीं होती थी. और दूसरी चीज ये थी, ये हमारी कम्युनिटी के नहीं थे, ये गोरे लोग थे जो अमेरिका में हैं, ओके, यहीं पे पले बड़े हैं. तो मैंने एक बार उनसे पूछा कि आपकी बीवी इतनी पढ़ी लिखी है, मतलब वो क्या करती हैं, क्योंकि आपके बच्चे भी इतना. तो बोलते हैं वो दैट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ द वुमन स्टेइंग एट होम. एंड क्या हुआ, जब वो पहले काम करती थी, एक बार उनका बेटा स्कूल में गिरा और उसको कुछ हुआ, और जब तक ये काम से निकल के वहाँ पे पहुँची तब तक ऑलमोस्ट लकीली ये पहुँच गए थे, इट सीम्स. सर्जरी नहीं करते तो उसका आंख ऑलमोस्ट चला जाता है, कुछ ऐसा. तो तब से उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि तुम्हें काम पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, जो भी मैं करना है मुझे करना है. दिस इज माई जॉब, सो बेसिकली दिस इज व्हाट आई वुड डू, ऐसे करके इस बंदे ने बताया. और मैं दंग रह गई कि कैसे ये लोग सोचते हैं कि कुछ कहाँ कोई और इसमें हुआ है, लेकिन माँ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, वाइफ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि बच्चे के बारे में जो भी होता है सभी मम्मी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. Even though she's working, and from that day she's not worked another day, and obviously the son's grades and the kids' grades and all are doing so well. So that is the effect of having the woman at home and be at home and handle this is the term, handle her domain. Oh my God, ये इतना गुस्सा आता है मेरे को ऐसे लोगों के बारे में सोच के ना. When I think about how annoying such it really इतना बॉक्स में लगा के रखते हैं, right, आलतू? It's like very very annoying. I don't know.
Well, it was annoying, of course, and Falturi very emotional about that. I understand, but अभी actually Falturi social issues आगे बढ़ते हैं, एक ही नहीं बहुत सारे social issues है, and that's a very important thing you brought up. And now the next issue I talked about is access to education, Manoj.
Right.
Now I'm asking our people right now on Facebook who joined us right now. Thank you so much. Welcome, मीनाक्षी जी, कैसे हैं आप? आपको कॉल नहीं आया? कॉल करो 408-912-2479, and we are asking you about this. There have been many movies talking about education. Right? And yes, there are multiple movies. In fact, Rajkumar ke time mein se importance of learning. Right? Kishore Kumar in a very funny way talks about learning English. Right. C-A-T cat. Cat man, I believe. He's supposed to learn something, right? Like that, no, all those things.
We're not talking about C-A-T cat.
No, that is education, Baba. I'm talking about something further which actually happened recently, in the recent past. And thanks to one particular individual who actually made sure that he kind of leveled the playing people to participate. Like, only the people who afford, right? The privileged class were the ones who can actually access to higher education, access to going, getting higher paying jobs, right? All those things, right? Because the fact that the things like postgraduate, things like if you want to go abroad and learn something about management and come back, if you want to become MBA abroad or whatever, you need to have a little bit of basic education in your country, right?
Correct.
And matriculation would never cut it. Right, and that's what the whole thing was. And yeah, if at all you do a study in a particular language, if you go to a Hindi medium kind of a college all the way, you still cannot function in other international markets because you don't have the lingua franca kind of thing, right? You don't speak the English part. You'll have to go through TOEFL and everything. But doesn't mean just because somebody doesn't speak the language doesn't make them any lesser. Like, they actually are not. You should not consider somebody who doesn't speak English to be not intelligent. Right? Yeah. So that's one thing which they actually talked about. Now I'm asking you, which movie has brought attention to this?
Correct.
Right? Number to call you 408-912-2479. ज्योति जी, come on, क्या आपको फोनोफोबिया शुरू हो गया वापस?
कॉल करें ज्योति जी, आपका इंतजार है 408-912-2479. That is the number for you to call into the studio. And the moment you give us a call over here, हम आपको यहाँ पे मौका देंगे. आपका जो सोशल इशू है, बर्निंग सोशल इशू है, अगर उसके ऊपर कोई फिल्म नहीं बनाया, हम बना देंगे. क्या?
So give us a call. Actually, Jyotirji post something called Hindi medium one more movie. Yes.
Yes.
Hindi medium, but that is a different kind of a social
Issue.
awareness.
Yes,
Right?
exactly.
The social issue there is totally different.
Correct.
But I would love to hear what you have to say, Jyoti ji, about the particular movie Hindi medium. लेकिन मेरा specific ये है to access to education,
Right.
access to higher education, leveling the playing field for people, for kids.
Yeah.
Right, who want to pursue additional studies, right, higher studies.
Right.
तो उसके बारे में आपको कॉल करना है तो कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479 4089122479. अरे फादर, do you think I should actually play?
ज्योति जी wrote the name of the movie on our Facebook, लेकिन मैं सरप्राइज्ड हूँ कि वो यहाँ पे कॉल नहीं क्यों नहीं करी है
Oh
और
my
उनको
God.
क्यों मतलब कैसे मालूम नहीं है कि you know that she has to call in on the show. So so जल्दी कॉल करिएगा. We'd look forward to hearing from you and telling us कि what exactly is this particular movie, जहाँ पे हम लोग specifically बात कर रहे हैं कि अगर आप कोई मतलब सोचो कोई म्यूनिसिपल स्कूल में या कोई गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में पढ़े हो मतलब पढ़ रहे हो 11th standard and 12th standard and you have not actually you know you're good at what you do but you don't have access to more resources to get training. जैसे IIT JEE के एग्ज़ाम्स हैं या IIM के एग्ज़ाम्स हैं, अगर वो ट्रेनिंग लेने के लिए मुझे मालूम है मेरे पेरेंट्स ने कितना रगड़ के how much money they had to put in, right, to be sending us to those tuitions and trainings. ये अलग बात है, मैं ज्वाइन नहीं हुई, थोड़ी देर के बाद छोड़ दिया मैंने तो because I had no interest in engineering, but I know how expensive and prohibitively expensive it can be. But this particular person actually taught people, like, you know, a group of people who nobody would have ever given them a second shot in life, right?
Yep.
Nobody would have thought कि उनको समझ में आएगा, you know, जो theories हैं, जो different mathematical concepts हैं, इन सभी को समझ में आएगा, to actually score really well and actually make it to the IITs.
Okay, here's what it is. Vipaji is giving us interesting, you know, thoughts and topics and points on Facebook. She's talking about Student of the Year also. Now, is Student of the Year actually talking about a social issue? Yeah. Hey, no. I understand her take, and I want to ask her to give us a call back if she can. You said Student of the Year, where she actually proposed a reasoning behind her pick of Student of the Year, because she says one kid was poor in that. Siddharth Malhotra. It's true.
Yeah, that's true.
But was that? But I don't know. See, that's what I'm telling you. See, there always the undercurrent of there, which Indian cinema always touches upon.
Correct.
Was that something which people focused on, Student of the Year?
Yeah,
Give us
that's
a call,
true.
4089122479. And was that about free access to education? No, but I specifically am asking about this issue because across India, this is the issue. And we want to know if you guys can tell us which movie has touched upon it. Namaskar, आपका हाल स्वागत है पैम पैम के सोशल इशू सोमवार में. Who's this? Hello. पैम पैम.
ज्योति जी कैसे हैं आप?
बस बढ़िया, आप लोग कैसे हैं?
First class.
हमेशा वॉइस को डिस्गाइज करके कॉल करेंगी आप?
नहीं ऐसे ही है, वो पेपी होती है हमारे में. हाँ ठीक है.
अच्छा,
वेरी गुड. आपकी आवाज बहुत प्यारी है, मालूम है. लेकिन आप बताइए, आपका ये जो सोशल इशू है, which movie are we talking about, and do you know which movie? And tell us a little more about the movie also.
Super 30 we are talking about, where mathematician Anand Kumar take 30 students and prepare them for IIT.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, you're
So
right.
that
And
was a nice movie. I watched that movie. That was very nice movie.
yeah, but only thing is, there's only one guy who's doing that. Nobody else in India is doing it. But still, that one guy who did it, right?
Yeah.
Has seen the impact of it
Yeah.
right now.
Yes,
right? He's seen
exactly.
the impact of it.
Yeah.
Very good. So, was there any other movie which you can think of which actually talked about this? Similar kind of situation? Access to education?
Yeah, many movies are there like that. Hindi medium, like.
हिंदी मीडियम क्या
yeah,
इशू? हिंदी मीडियम आप बताइए क्या इशू है वहाँ पे, बताइए.
वहाँ पर वो इंग्लिश मीडियम से हिंदी मीडियम या जिसमें अगर आपके बेटे को इंग्लिश नहीं आती तो उसका एडमिशन नहीं मिलता, फिर वो डिस्गाइज होता है, गरीब बन के फिर जाता है. फिर कौन सी मूवी थी वो वाली?
वो हिंदी मीडियम ही थी.
इरफान हाजी की.
हिंदी मीडियम ही थी जहाँ पे he wants to. So ये जो इशू आप बता रही हैं वो you know it is the the horrible corrupt situation
Corruption,
with
yeah.
with regard to access to private school education also. बच्चा पैदा भी नहीं हुआ है लेकिन उससे पहले कैपिटेशन फीस प्री स्कूल के लिए लेते हैं.
Yeah.
Like you know जो
So in other words, the soda of education, the commercialization of education. Yes.
The
Yeah, parents have to give the interview, and parents don't know English, then the
Yeah.
child will not get
The
admission.
barrier for them to have the child educated. That's very true. Thank you so much sharing that with us. एक और ऐसा फिल्म आया था हिचकी. I don't know if you noticed about it. Hichki was all about आरक्षण.
right.
Reservation of actually getting the kids from Dharavi to
Yeah, Amitabh Bachchan, that was a
नहीं
nice
नहीं नहीं
movie.
नहीं
नहीं, 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 नहीं.
We're talking about हिचकी.
वो कौन सी थी? वो भी अच्छी थी. अमिताभ बच्चन, सैफ अली खान.
Actually that's about
वो भी वो रिजर्वेशन के बारे में था लेकिन ये स्पेसिफिक टू एजुकेशन था. हिचकी फिल्म ऑफ रानी मुखर्जी. बट
Right.
थैंक यू सो मच ज्योति जी. थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग अस. सुनते रहेगा आपके लिए एक स्पेशल गाना प्ले करने वाला हूँ. ठीक है.
हाँ बिल्कुल. एंड आप सुनते रहिएगा.
Thank you.
थैंक यू. हैव अ गुड वन. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. पैम पैम में कौन है जी?
Yeah, it's me, Faltu Rani. You guys wanted to discuss Student of the Year. So,
yeah, please tell us.
हाँ प्लीज बताइए बताइए.
so yes, you're right. When we watched the movie, we weren't really thinking of their education, but you know, as a matter of fact, the fact is that Student of the Year Part 1, Siddharth Malhotra was the underdog, and he struggled throughout his whatever year or years at that school, trying to woo the girl. She was more interested initially in the rich guy, and the rich guy's father, his role model for his son was the poor guy. So, here we are again talking about, rich guy, poor guy, one can afford, one can't afford. One is barely able to make it through college. And we see some self-esteem issues, some self-confidence issues in the underdog.
Correct.
But at the end of the day, Dilwala Dulhaniya Le Gaya in both part 1 and part 2. So, I mean, yes, the prominent theme of that movie, I think was not, rich boy, poor boy. It was more, glamorous school, with all these hi-fi kids. But, at the end of the day, you don't leave the theater without, I don't know, that's what they want us to feel, feeling sympathetic towards the poor guy. But then at the end of the day, feeling good because, hey, he got the girl. He got Alia. So
But
it all worked out for the poor boy.
The reason I asked you to
yeah.
call up, I asked you to call up for this particular movie, especially, right?
Yeah.
Karan Johar has a very interesting way of touching upon social issues.
Correct.
With rather addressing it with a makhmal wala wrapping on his back. So he takes a
Correct,
nice
correct.
makhmal or makhan laga ke na, he swings the bat.
Yeah.
So it touches upon multiple things. So one, of course, in this particular thing, he talked about social gap between the two people, and then he talks about how jaded people and who are rich are.
Yeah.
Right? Isn't
Yeah.
that what the girl was actually?
And right. And guys, think, speaking of Karan Johar, another topic we could touch on again, which would be a social issue, would be betrayal in a marriage. What's the name of that movie? Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna.
Yeah, exactly.
That is a social issue too.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
another topic, and there are many movies like that, like Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. That's another thing that maybe people want to talk about and call you guys about. But that's a social issue for sure.
Yeah, that's exactly. So if all his movies, right, you will see that he has touched upon, like for instance, which you did not talk about, in Student of the Year, he put litmus test.
Yeah, for
of
homosexuality.
And he
Yeah.
took the most lovable,
Right.
70s, 80s and 90s wale hero ko
Hero
leke.
ko, हाँ.
He presented
Rishi
him.
Kapoor.
Rishi
Took
Kapoor.
Rishi
And he
Kapoor in the
presented
role
him.
of a gay dude. Yeah.
Yes, and he
Yeah.
presented him as that. So to see litmus is how the audience is going to accept it.
Correct.
And Rishi Kapoor being an actor, of course, did justice to it.
Yeah.
Right.
But later on, we talked. That
Yeah.
brings me to other topic right now. Let's talk about it because we're pretty much close to Bay Area, right?
Yeah.
So we are in Bay Area and we are in San Francisco, and Indian cinema have had a very what should I say? Very cautious view. When it comes to homosexuality and also same-sex marriage and everything,
Yeah.
right?
But I'm so happy to see the change. एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. We saw what happened there. And then that other movie with Ayushmann, in which he played a gay guy, मुझे अब नाम नहीं याद आ रहा. Movie का.
आपने फिल्म
नहीं,
देखा?
नहीं, आपने फिल्म नहीं देखा?
नहीं film मैंने I'm a big fan. I've actually met the guy in person. He's super cool and down to earth.
Uh-huh.
So but in that movie he was absolutely fabulous. मुझे नाम पता नहीं क्यों नहीं याद आया. 5 बज गए ना. That's actually 6 बज गए. But yeah, that's another movie that I mean I'm happy that this is all starting to open up in India. I'm really happy because love is love, right?
That's true. All right. Thank you so much. In fact, thank you for sharing your take on this as well. And we'll play a nice song for you. Keep listening. All right.
Definitely.
Thank you. I'm here. I'm giving Jane a pedicure.
Wow.
All right, guys. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm next in line.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
And I've got my number to call. Yeah, that's a beautiful thing about Raja. You can sit at home and enjoy this particular thing. You can see a particular
That is
television. Although we have many more things happening this particular time, and COVID has given us a lot of I should say learning things, right?
Yes.
And we're going to present some very interesting stuff for you guys going forward as well, Bandajan. So we're going to break free from the walls that we have and make sure we can bring entertainment to you guys, right?
Absolutely.
So, आगे बढ़ते हैं फाल्गुनी. We talked about even the point of
She talked about
the issues which Karan Johar touches upon.
Right. What business does anybody have in anybody's life about whom they love?
Yeah.
Really, actually think about it. पंजाब पहले तो हम लोग सोचते थे, I'll be very frank and very honest. जो भी हमें देख रहे हैं Facebook पे. By the way, let's tell you, thank you very much if you're watching us for the very first time. जो भी हमें hearts दे रहे हैं, like कर रहे हैं. हमारा Facebook page वहाँ पे जो video दिखा रहा है, वहाँ पे please like it. Facebook.com/Radio Day Hotties. We are the longest running entertainment radio network, and आपका blessings रहे तो we will be the longest running entertainment radio network which is 100% unadulterated entertainment. जहाँ पे fun information मिलेगा आपको. जो community radio है वो Radio D Hotties है. And हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं कि जो initially if you want to listen to us, by the way मुझे एक message आया, if you're watching us on Facebook and you want the whole family to watch it, right? You're seeing it on your phone and it popped up on your phone. Very simple, cast it on your TV. Like our Vibhaji does. She said she's giving her daughter a pedicure and she's watching, and like our Jyoti ji does. In fact, the whole family there, including our Bruno, canine darling Bandhu. He also sits and watches along with them. He watches our TV, watches the TV for our show. There's so many of our Bandhus, Megha, so many different Bandhus of ours who are listening to this, and at the same time, let's say you have to step out for some reason. Radio D Hotties app, iOS and Android Pay, it's free. And if you have a Tesla, all the more better. Just ask Tesla to play Radio D Hotties. Automatically she picks it up. And now, in any case, in another 3 years, almost everything is going to go electric. So, yeah, woohoo! All you need to do is download the Radio D Hotties app. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कहाँ है, क्या है Radio D Hotties, how do we spell it? RADIO DEHOTTIES. Download the app. We've had, during the pandemic, thank you guys. Thank you. We love you so much because you've shown us such incredible love. We have over 75,000 downloads of our app just over the pandemic. Can you believe that? All over the world and including all over the United States, and here, Bay Area mein itne sare downloads because people are listening to it at home. So ask Alexa or Siri to play your Radio D Hotties and automatically they will pick it up.
Yep.
So let's also tell you, Bandajan, that ये जो मैं अभी full disclosure, जब मैं initially जो background से हम लोग आते हैं, जैसे हमें सिखाया जाता है, because we're so used to the norms of a man should be wedded to a woman, and those binary identities जो हम लोग बनाते हैं हमारे दिमाग में कि ये है gender stereotype, ये profile होता है, ये लड़की का profile होता है, ऐसे match होता है and all that stuff. I was really taken aback and I was really kind of shocked when I came across the aspect of homosexuality or जो भी relationships हैं. उसके बाद as you live and you interact with people who are, they're just people like you and me. And who are just like, if I fall in love with somebody and I love somebody, that is my life. Nobody else needs to come and tell me कि इसके साथ शादी मत मनाओ, इसके साथ relationship मत रखो. वो government कहाँ से आता है या कोई और किसकी मजाल की मुझे आके बोले कि you should do this. Yeah, your parents have a right to say, okay, fine, this is our opinion, but that's again their opinion. So unfortunately, that is so sad that people really don't get to love who they want to love. And thankfully now things have changed in India, or even now it is difficult. There's a lot of gay bashing that goes on.
Yeah, but after the Supreme Court ruling on thing, the one movie came out talking about this, which even our Vipaji alluded to, right?
Right.
Shubh Mangal Savdhan.
Huh.
Zyada Savdhan, in other words, that's the thing. And this actually was a take about a same-sex union, and interesting.
Huh.
And people actually received it well. This movie did not do bad in the box office, actually.
Yeah, exactly. And but कितना unfortunate है कि एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. By the way, it was made by a woman.
Uh-huh.
It was a story about two women that was not received well.
Yeah, could be the fact that the maid was made. See, this will actually appeal to the masses. Well, that particular movie seemed to be appealing to the, not the masses.
Quite frankly, Altubara, मुझे ना more than Shubh Mangal ज़्यादा सावधान, the story that really was touching was एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा
And
लगा.
actually, the story of touching was that one, and it was very delicately put.
Yeah.
It wasn't as brash or as shockingly presented like how it was presented in
Huh.
Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan.
Yeah, and in Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan, it's like, it just feels like ki, acha, this is what we're going to do. So we're going to have a full on because we want you to understand that, that this is what being gay is. So they have full on, like, those French scenes, French kissing scenes and all that stuff. It was not, sometimes I feel like certain things should be left to the imagination.
There was an element of comedy they put into this.
Yeah,
To
which is
make
ve-
it more chewable for people to probably that's why actually people accepted it, I suppose.
Yeah.
Because generally comedy comes in actually, that's why people excel when they have to send a message, right? Satire is generally sent out, right?
Correct.
So pretty much you will see a little bit it's animated because that's a movie it is. And I'll play a nice song from both the movies for you guys right now, Baljan. But of course, it's a Pele.
Huh.
We had to play a song which actually talked about, the person who actually brought in this, at least to a certain level.
Yeah.
At his location, doesn't matter whether it's big or small, he put in effort to getting people who were underprivileged to have access to education, Manujan. And this is the movie called Super 30. Watch it. It's a nice movie to watch. Hrithik Roshan, should he have blackened his face? I don't think so.
Yeah.
He needn't have done this role also. It would have been a hit. But nevertheless, Manujan, this was a movie which talked about a social issue, very important issue, how education is commercialized in India. Why India? Even here for the matter, but education is commercialized. Well, actually, it should be something where people can actually get access to education. So everybody can actually better their lives. And that's what this movie talks about. Here's a nice song from the movie. Talks about the paisa, the glitz and glam of money and how it can blind people, Bandujan. Greed, lobh, sab kuch on the song. Paisa.
तेरी जिंदगी को जिंदगी बनाने आया पैसा बेरंगी दुनिया को रंगी बनाने आया पैसा अंधेरे कमरों में बत्ती जलाने आया पैसा सपने तेरे सच्चे करके दिखाने आया पैसा दिन तेरे भी जीने का आया है जो चाहा था तूने वो पाया है सब पैसों की लीला है माया है पतझड़ का भी मौसम लावे सावन जैसा जिंदगी को जिंदगी बनाने आया पैसा बेरंगी दुनिया को रंगी बनाने आया पैसा अंधेरे कमरों में बत्ती जलाने आया पैसा सपने तेरे सच्चे करके दिखाने आया पैसा.
And of course, Bajan, the voice, unmistakably my favorite rock star kind of voice, Bajan Vishal Dadlani. Music by the Symphony of Indian Cinema. I'm talking about the brother, the duo, Ajay Atul. Lyrics की बात कर रहे हैं तो Bajan, आपको बोल दे, lyrics is by Amitabh Bhattacharya. Well, actually, Balja, I'll tell you what. This particular movie, right, Fadwani?
Yeah.
I think it brought to light a bunch of things. It talked about that particular time and how money can blind people.
Right.
Right? That's very important.
Huh.
And second thing is how,
Huh.
until something hits you personally,
Huh.
seldom do people take on a cause.
That's
In-
a very good point.
Yeah, right. I think that's very told in a very subtle way, and that's why it was supposed to be a biopic. It is a biopic narrated in the style of the narration. It's actually based on what do you call that? It's inspired. That kind of. It's not like historical event kind of a thing. It's not a documentary docu feature.
Yeah.
It is more of a biopic about somebody. And that's why they got away with all the creative, inputs they put in. Hrithik Roshan coming and playing that role and all, right?
Creative liberties जो बोलते हैं वो लोग.
Correct. Creative
हाँ.
liberties. Keep talking creative. Why I want to talk about that is because creative liberties is something which Indian cinema holds
हाँ.
to showcase some really disturbing facts about Indians of our social culture, social, economic status.
Right.
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 They and that's how they were able to showcase the movie called Lipstick Under My Burqa. You might say, it's not at all a social issue.
Yeah.
But it is because हर घर की ऐसे ही कुछ ना कुछ तो कहानी होती है.
हाँ.
हर घर की छोड़ो मैं at least 1 in 10 houses or 2 in 10
Oh,
houses.
that movie is actually depressing, Altu Baba.
Correct.
It's
Some-
very depressing.
But
Oh my
again,
God.
see, the thing is, they got away with the fact that they were creative expression. They were supposed to say the story, and they said it's fictional. And actually speaking, it also happens in real life.
But Altu, the whole thing is that it's apparently it is inspired by a real life happening.
Correct. So what I'm trying to say is,
Yeah.
so Indian cinema have this particular thing under their belt. I would say it's like a tool, or should I say a kind of a weapon or a shield they can use,
Huh.
right, where they can bring attention to all these situations.
Correct,
right?
correct.
Now, what would you term as a social issue when it comes to lipstick under my burqa?
बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, right? एक तो in that particular movie, the fact that one of the characters is widowed. Okay, she's an older lady. Okay, but nobody has ever thought about getting her remarried, or nobody has ever thought about her. It's kind of understood and relegated. She's relegated to a life of no marriage, so to speak.
Nah. So
Okay,
otherwise,
but in front of her, there is another man who is a widower. And for him, they're constantly trying to fix up much younger women. To be with that particular man.
Yeah.
Okay, then there is this other thing where this girl who is Muslim, but she wants to dress up, she wants to do things, and so that's why therein likes the title, Lipstick Under My Burqa. Under the burqa, you do whatever you want, but nothing out in the open.
That is our social thing, right?
Yeah.
That's a social issue where everything happens behind closed doors.
Correct.
And I'll tell you why I want to talk about that, Fatani, because it has a social thing to it. It happens in everybody's life. We don't want to accept it,
Huh.
right? And that's how they got away with it. And one more thing what I want to say about that particular movie also is about the gender subjugation. How the female, unfortunately, though we are in this particular world, we had independence 70 plus years,
Right.
We still have there is still this particular, there's a long way to go. A lot of things happen, but there's a long way to go when it comes to equality of gender.
Right.
That's something which we have to work on anyways. And I like the fact that Indian cinema is talking about making more movies that way.
Right.
Action movies are surrounding females coming up. Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to ask you, Faltani, any other situation, a social issue which comes up which you think has been addressed in Indian cinema? And Bandhus can actually try to see if they can guess which movie has done that.
Well, Altu Baba, there's quite a few movies, right? There is one, हमने अभी education की बात की. Okay, so in line with education, Manujam, there was a movie that came out which talked about कि हम लोग कितना मगजमारी करते हैं, कितना रोटी पापड़ बेलते हैं, right? कि to get into a high flying university, एक super duper university में जाना है, type thing, right? लेकिन वहाँ जाने के बाद कितना मतलब नॉनसेंस उस यूनिवर्सिटी में भी होता है. The fact that there is so much pressure on the individuals who are going to those universities, and how there's really not that much support, and nobody looks at the mental health and well-being of individuals who get into these schools.
Interesting. There was a story that way?
There is a movie, right, which came out which specifically talked about that education, is because most people think पढ़ाई एक अच्छी डिग्री पाने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए, पैसे चाहिए, यूनिफॉर्म, स्टेटस चाहिए, बड़ा स्कूल चाहिए, बड़ा कॉलेज चाहिए. बट in this particular movie, it kind of broke the taboo, and it showed that all that you need is a strong will to study. But that is not enough if if the trustees and the whatever in the university are not the right kind of people. You know what I mean? Like you could end up in a situation where you could possibly you know, people even there are so many suicides that happen at these universities.
You know, the irony, I want to tell you one thing, Falswani.
Yeah.
People can do the research and find out. I can guarantee you this will be the thing. There was a report which came up long time ago.
Huh.
The amount of money spent
Huh.
on keeping records
Huh.
in the university education level,
Huh.
right? It is almost 4 times the amount they spent towards stocking the library.
What?
Yeah,
4 times the money that they spend?
stocking the library and paying for good teachers.
Oh my God.
So in other words, we somehow, somewhere, we lost the track of saying that. That's what is even this particular movie Fatma is talking about. It was presented to us in a very interesting way,
Huh.
right? It was, so people, you know, viewing education as, people, when they come to education, I want to get this degree so I can earn this thing, right?
Yeah.
But they don't understand the fact that you have to learn what interests you,
Yeah.
right? And that's what's important. And of course, the teachers have to start teaching rather than, you know, just lecturing to people.
Right.
And that's what this movie brought to light about. And also brought light to the fact that many of our individuals, millennials, many of us, I'm talking millennials specifically because the socioeconomic strata we come from, the cultural time, the time zone we come from, socioeconomic time zone we come from,
Right.
there has been kind of a disillusion in many people.
Right.
There are many people reporting depression, many people reporting burnouts.
Yeah.
Because it was not there in Gen X's or Gen,
Gen
probably-
Zs, Gen Xs, Gen Ys.
they didn't have it. The millennials definitely are seeing it. Or I would say Gen Z also experienced it also. Gen X didn't have it because they were focused on just getting things done.
Yeah.
But now everything is done. Now what else you going to do? So this particular movie was very good in bringing to light that fact that you got to pursue something that you love,
Yeah.
as opposed to just run behind degrees and just be one of the many
Yeah.
cogs in the machinery or the whole system.
Exactly.
Right. So
Gunjan.
which movie is talking about these things, Manoj? It's a very interesting social cause. They're present in a very nice way, based on a book, I suppose.
It's based on a book. We'll give you the clue. चेतन भगत का बुक है. ठीक है. 5 Point Someone करके एक बुक लिखा था उन्होंने. उसके ऊपर बेस करके ये मूवी बनाया. हमें तो काफी सारे I mean, you know, everybody likes the movie. We, for Alto and me, it was a little bit of a letdown because we knew all the punchlines to all the jokes.
They were trying to put a message.
Yeah.
They took a message and wrapped it with jokes. Is what they did.
Yeah, that's what they
That's
did.
what Indian cinema does, right?
Yeah.
So, कौन सा film है बताएगा? People love this movie. They said it was rolling success. People were laughing, rolfing every time they saw it.
Yeah.
Fine. Which movie is that? Give us a call 408912247. उससे पहले एक गाने लगाएंगे बंजन आपके लिए from the movie of Ayushmann Khurrana, Shubh Langal Javda Savdian.
तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी के जुड़ जाता जैसे दो नदियों का पानी मुझे आगे तेरे साथ बहना है जाना तुम्हें तो है ये बात जानी के ये जिंदगी कैसे बनती सुहानी मुझे हर पल तेरे साथ रहना है तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे आधा आधा हम जो दोनों मिला दे तो बन जाएगी अपनी एक जिंदगानी ये दुनिया मिले ना मिले हमको खुशियाँ भगा देंगी हर गम को तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो
That's why I tell you,
true,
Balajan,
yeah.
हमारे लिए आप काफी हो अगर आप है सुन रहे हो तो बस और कुछ नहीं चाहिए Balajan, and thank you so much for listening to us right now. Let me tell you, an expression of gratitude to all our lovely bandhus out there listening to us right now and sending us those hearts.
And we want to ask you to do one thing, Manjan. If you like this video, जो हमें हाथ भेज रहे हैं, मीनाक्षी जी, विभा जी, ज्योति जी, विशाल जी, जो भी हमें देख रहे हैं, जो हाथ भेज रहे हैं, if you like this video, share it on Facebook. Share it on your timelines. Please click share and then say, watch this along with me.
Yeah, because when you share, you show that you care. And Balajan, I'll tell you one thing. This particular song, Rijig Badshah बोलते हैं उनको, Tanishq Bakshi का original track है, original composition है along with Vayu Balajan. Lyrics also by Vayu. थोड़ा गाना सुनिएगा अच्छा है, sweet song.
से भी माफी हो मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो
मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, और ऑफ कोर्स भजन कॉफी हो या टी हो या टी का बोबा हो, भजन डजंट मैटर, आप बस सुनते रहो, वही आपका बाबा रिक्वेस्ट करता है आप लोगों से. एंड यस, ये फिल्म क्या था? अरे कम ऑन, व्हाट इज दिस? यू नॉट एबल टू गेस वर्ड. इतना बड़ा चौड़ा लंबा लेक्चर दिया फातू ने. अगर उसने ब्रेक डाउन करके सिंपल लैंग्वेज बता होता प्रॉब्ली वुड हैव गेस्ड इट. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के सोशल इश्यूज सोमवार में. हु इज दिस? हेलो.
हाय पैम पैम.
मीनाक्षी जी, कैसी हैं आप?
एकदम बढ़िया. आप दोनों कैसे हैं?
फर्स्ट क्लास.
बढ़िया, आप भी बढ़िया. मुझे पता नहीं, वो गाना ही आता है हमेशा.
I don't know why. Yeah, she's like brainwashed. उसका तो already brainwashed हो गया.
I can't. The first thing which she says, especially when Meenakshi says "बढ़िया," immediately I feel like singing that song. I don't know why.
You go Sunil Chauhan mode, right?
I go to
बढ़िया. Very good. Well, thank you so much मीनाक्षी जी. तो बताइए, आज सोशल इश्यूज सोमवार में बातें कर रहे हैं, एंड आपको लगता है कि जो भी हमने सोशल इश्यू उठाई है, सही फिल्मों को जोड़ा है हम साथ में?
ऑफ कोर्स, अनडाउटेडली. आप लोग कभी गलत चीजें जोड़ सकते हो?
हाँ, वाह. आप सच्ची, आप सार्कास्टिक तो नहीं थे ना?
अभी चुम्मा मार दे तो छोड़ो.
Oh God. आप अपने बंदूक पर भी डाउट करते हो?
मैं कभी नहीं करता.
डाई हार्ड फैन.
मैं कभी करता नहीं हूँ डाउट, because I know you always give a shout.
Out.
Yeah. Hey, but let me tell you, we are talking about this particular movie which actually brought to light the style of education. And we talked about even the fact that how unfortunately universities, colleges now are spending more money.
Yes.
Just, the fees which you pay actually is going towards maintaining your records as opposed to making sure that you get a good education.
Right.
कौन सा फिल्म है वो?
आपने जिसका डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया था, that Chetan, based on Chetan Bhagat novel, that is Three Idiots.
Yes. Three Idiots में क्या-क्या situations, क्या-क्या issues touch किए हैं बताइए. If you have, there's no right or wrong answer to it.
सबसे पहले तो ये है कि पेरेंट्स अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशन थोपते हैं बच्चों पर. वो अगर चाहते हैं कि बच्चा इंजीनियर बने तो उसको जबरदस्ती पुश करते हैं विदाउट नोइंग कि व्हाट इज द रियल इंटरेस्ट ऑफ चाइल्ड.
राइट.
तो उसमें वो बहुत अच्छे से बताया गया है, क्योंकि उसमें जो डीन होता है वो अपने बेटे को पुश करता है कि तुझे डॉक्टर ही बनना है, और वो राइटर बनना चाहता था और वो सुसाइड कर लेता है. तो सेम एक तो ये इशू सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मुझे लगा था पूरी मूवी में. और एक लाइक आई डोंट नो, लाइक इंडिया में एक एजुकेशन सिस्टम ना थोड़ा मोनोटोनी है कि बुकिश नॉलेज पे ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं रादर देन कि प्रैक्टिकल बच्चा एक्सप्लोर करे. तो उसमें वो भी बताया गया. एग्जैक्टली. रट्टाफिकेशन ज्यादा होता है कि जो बुक में लिखा है वही सही है. अगर वो प्रैक्टिकली चीजों को देख के अपना कुछ डेफिनेशन बना के बता रहा है तो दैट इज नॉट राइट. बिकॉज नंबर नहीं मिलेगा आपको उसका एग्जाम में. यू विल नॉट गेट राइट मार्किंग फॉर दैट.
हाँ, जो हमें सुन रहे हैं, अगर वो आई डोंट नो व्हाट रट्टा मार इज, आई थिंक मनघट, लाइक बाय हार्ट memorizing. वही होता है.
Exactly. Without understanding the things, just memorizing it.
जो rote learning बोलते हैं यहाँ पे. That's you're right.
तो एग्जामिनेशन में पास तो हो जाओगे, बट इन फ्यूचर जब आप प्रैक्टिकली अप्लाई करने जाओगे तो यू विल नॉट एबल टू डू इट.
राइट.
तो मेरे हिसाब से मुझे ये दोनों समझ में आए.
That's actually right. आपने you hit the nail on the head. एक और मूवी आया था, क्योंकि आप ऑन एयर है, मैं आपसे पूछूंगी, आपने शायद इसके बारे में हमारे शो पे सुना है, हमने इसके बारे में बात किया था क्योंकि वो मूवी पैंडेमिक में ही रिलीज हुई थी. एंड ये मूवी ऐसा मतलब इतना इम्पैक्टफुल मूवी है, मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आया actually. This movie specifically talked about the pressures of college, pressures of getting into an institution, and the pressures of getting into क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी बहुत है. I'm not saying this is only in India. यहाँ पे भी US में भी ऐसा है कि मम्मी पापा engineers हैं तो I have to be an engineer.
Well, actually you're right, Father. I think this movie you're talking about actually brought to light mental health issues,
and how the whole movie changes the premise of let's say a generation X or a generation Y parent and his millennial child who kind of because of the pressure that the child is under ki I have to be like this because my dad and my mom both went to this particular college, so I have to be a certain which way, and uska jab number theek nahi aata he commits suicide. Or he tries to commit suicide.
That Sushant Singh Rajput movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's its name?
हमारे बारे में सोचो, मेरे बारे में सोचो, मेरे बारे में सोचो.
छी क्या बोल रहा है आलतू बाबा?
मुझे नाम बिल्कुल याद नहीं आ रहा. मैं
हाँ, think about me.
छी छोड़ रे.
हाँ, उसको राइम करो.
It's about you.
अरे,
How come?
Rhymes with छोड़
I
रे.
just gave you so many clues.
हाँ.
Just now, if you paid attention to what I was saying.
She said she छोड़ रे.
यार,
अगर मुझे आप इंडिया में मिले होते तो आपके मम्मी पापा मुझे देख के क्या बोलते हैं? ऐसे के साथ मत घुमा कर.
नहीं, मुझे बिल्कुल क्लिक नहीं करा. I'm so sorry.
छिछोरे.
It is not clicking.
छिछोरे.
छिछोरे, exactly. Oh, I'm so sorry.
नहीं लगता आपके.
Nowadays I'm totally lost.
नहीं लगता आपके जहन में मेरे बारे में अच्छे विचार है.
हाँ वो.
ऐसे रखिएगा प्लीज.
Exactly. So I couldn't relate you with Chichore.
But I relate myself with that anyways. But very good. So thank you so much. In fact, आप हम लोग 3 Idiots के बारे में बात करें. 3 Idiots में एक और चीज they have tried to touch upon was about access to education.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Where do they
because
talk about
he's a person who did not get access to education and he had to go under somebody's name. He
correct.
actually took a proxy attendance, right?
Right.
So he got his education.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's the sad part, right? That's the sad part about our society, but nobody did anything about it.
Right.
Right? But he...
that could be hypothetical. Like, आम दुनिया में शायद बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होता होगा.
I'm sure, but the thing, no, but no, I want to take it back. I want to say that, no, Meenakshi ji, access to education is very bad. We, unfortunately, because the way we are privileged, we have blind spots. We don't understand what they might be going through.
Correct.
And I actually realized that more after I saw the movie Super 30.
Yeah.
Which is a fact. I remember, if you give... my dad and mom have talked about the fact how they have tried to get kids into schools. And my mom used to be a big advocate for children to get education. Right? Because they would push them into work because of the poverty part of it, right? And just because a child likes to learn... no. A child would love to learn. Unfortunately, he should have all the other things which get him to learn, right? And I think 3 Idiots talks about the fact how the Amir Khan's boss, right?
Right.
He just took his own greed. Out of his greed, he made him study.
Right.
उनके लिए तो बस एक certificate था, लेकिन Amir Khan के लिए it was a life. He loved to learn, and I think that's what they showed towards the end. Towards the end, they show that he built a different kind of a school system, right, in his Ladakh area.
Yeah.
And that has there's some similarity to reality also there, because this also is loosely based on one individual, is what they say.
Right.
Oh yeah, his name is Sonal something.
Yeah.
Sonal, something. I don't remember the last name.
Someone took or something, right?
Yeah.
Something.
Yeah.
But anyway, thank you. Thank you so much for actually chiming in today. It was good. So, any other movie which you can think?
एक और movie.
बोलो.
जो education से related ही है. Like that तारे ज़मीन पर.
That is. I want to ask you.
I haven't seen it. Yeah.
What would you say is a social issue which they bring to light?
First तो यही social issue है कि हम केवल अपने बच्चों को push करते रहते हैं कि तुम्हें अच्छा करना है without knowing कि maybe they are struggling with some disability. उसमें जो दिखाया गया है that is dyslexia दिखाया गया है कि बच्चे को पढ़ने लिखने में दिक्कत होती है, लेकिन फिर भी उसके पेरेंट्स उसे पुश करे जा रहे हैं कि नहीं तेरा मन नहीं लगता होगा पढ़ने में, शायद तू इसलिए नहीं कर पा रहा है. Look at your elder brother, how well he's doing.
Right.
तो उसके अराउंड ये पूरी मूवी घूमती है और बहुत ही खूबसूरती से दिखाया गया है इस मूवी.
Very true. In fact, I haven't seen the movie as yet, but I tell you one thing about the movie.
I bet कि आप बिना रोए नहीं रह पाओगे उस मूवी को.
That's right.
इसीलिए हमने नहीं देखा अभी तक.
So, but the thing is, you're right, and I think that's one thing which is people don't think it's social issue. It is a social issue.
Right.
It is a social issue because it is not just about one child who's totally different. Every child is different.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we don't do something called as differentiated teaching.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
सभी बच्चों को they have to climb a tree, or it's like some kids might want to swim, right?
Yeah.
We don't explore that part of it, and that's what is the
और
social
सबका
issue.
learning curve different होता है.
Yeah.
So we should not like as a parent, it is our responsibility not to push so hard on our children कि जबरदस्ती पुश करते रहो, नहीं करना है. Let them explore, let them excel how they are learning.
Yeah, because we have a social issue. One more thing which I think over there is the fact that we are so competitive. We are like the rat race people. Everybody wants to get. अरे इसने वो
बच्चों का
कर
rat
दिया,
race हो या ना हो,
इसने
parents
गाड़ी
से
खरीद
चलता
ली,
रहता है.
उसके पास 1 million सेविंग्स हो गया. Oh my God, तेरे पास क्या है?
हाँ, ये देखो उसका UC बर्कली में एडमिशन हो गया.
तेरे पास
Which UC did you get into? UC? Oh God.
मेरा बच्चा इतनी सारी
आप यकीन नहीं
my son is young, but still कुछ पेरेंट्स हैं जो है कि मेरा बच्चा इस एक्टिविटी में भी जाता है, इस एक्टिविटी में भी जाता है, इस एक्टिविटी में भी जाता है, आपका बच्चा कहाँ जाता है?
Oh God.
मेरे बेटे का नहीं है इंटरेस्ट, मैंने उसे सॉकर में भेजा, उसका नहीं है इंटरेस्ट, तो मैंने नहीं भेजा. जबरदस्ती उसे पुश करके थोड़ी ना भेजूंगी कि जा तू सॉकर ही खेल के.
I'll tell you one thing. That's what I think this movie brought an issue about mental health. It is not about child. It's about the parent who actually is seeking validation. In other words, इनकी insecurities को बच्चों के ऊपर ठोप रहे हैं. And that is
हाँ,
bad.
exactly. और कभी-कभी ना कुछ पेरेंट्स का होता है जैसे खुद शायद कुछ अचीव नहीं कर पाए, तो they have that dream they want to live in their child.
That's true.
हाँ, I mean,
Okay.
it could very well be that you actually मैं specifically almost 3.5-4 years से हम लोग हमारे काफ़ी सारे बच्चे जो यहाँ पे पले बड़े हैं, राइट, जो यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं, उनसे मेरी ऑलमोस्ट डे टू डे बेसिस पे इंटरेक्शन होती है. एंड आप यकीन नहीं मानोगे, out of the number of kids that I have seen, maybe about 300-400 kids, there's easily 10 to 15% of them have mental health issues. You know why? Only based on the pressure that they have from their parents that they have to go and get into an engineering profession or a medical profession. I'm not kidding you. You have to. SAT classes ये ले रहे हैं तो मुझे भी जाके वहाँ पे इतने सारे SAT क्लास, ये AP courses वो ले रहा है तो मुझे भी इतने सारे AP courses लेने हैं. It's not at all. The very few kids who are very particular कि okay, this is what I want to do and this is how this is. And those are generally, if you meet the parents, you can make out when the parents are interacting, and a lot of times the kids don't discuss that issue with their parents, लेकिन friends के साथ discuss करेंगे कि how hard it is. And
ऐसा issues के ऊपर हमने story नहीं बनाई फलवानी.
हाँ, हमने नहीं बनाई. हाँ, नहीं बनाए रे.
Even Indian cinema has not done it.
Indian cinema has not done. नहीं किया है ना अभी. In this movie they show, right, anxiety and depression of this boy where he's so pushed that he jumps off his building, man. I mean it's, and they show the realization of the parents. How it comes about as they realize that it's not all that. It's not so important for him to get into an IIT or get into REC or whatever, right? Whatever the schools are. So usko jo matlab it's okay, and sometimes maybe he wants to also but doesn't make the cut.
Yeah.
वो भी a parent should be okay with the failure, because at the end of the day it's not degrees and money that define you as a human being, right? You're not taking that to your grave. So I think that's something that we saw on the thing. So just wanted to share that. I don't know. I feel really I feel very strongly about that. Yeah. But thank you so much, Meenakshi ji, कि आपने कॉल किया और हमारे साथ ये शेयर किया. Truly appreciate it. And and please share करिए Meenakshi ji. Share our stream with your friends.
Have
thank
a good
you.
one.
You
Bye-bye.
too. Bye. Are we going to another Bandhu Alto Baba?
You're already on air, Faldwani?
Hello, Pam Pam, Koni ji?
I'm a little embarrassed to be calling for the third time. But
Don't be. It's all
We
about
love
it.
it. We love it.
But I think, you guys just raised a very, very important issue, about the pressure that parents put on their children to, you have to study this or you have to do that. And, unfortunately, sometimes that really turns out to be counterproductive. The child will have, a nervous breakdown. And the sad part is the kid will end up doing nothing.
Yeah.
And I've seen cases like this, just like Faltu Rani was talking about. And I'm going to give you a real life example since this topic came up today. I have a nephew. He's 17 years old. So I am talking about Karun's sister's son. He's a 17-year-old boy. He lives in Gurgaon. They were in Bangalore before. Now he's in Gurgaon. his mother and father did not push him to, be this or be that. I mean, they tried the whole sports thing, and the kid really had no interest in that. And today, at the age of 17, just today, one of his, he's actually produced and directed a short film that was released today on IMDb called Seeked. And he's doing us all proud. His plans are to come, to the U.S. next year and study filmmaking.
Wow.
So, within our own family, we have a kid who went against the social norms, and, his parents were wise enough. They just have one son, and they were wise enough to not push him to be what he isn't, or push him to do what he doesn't want to do. And today, actually, just today, if you guys go to my social media account, you will see that I've also put up a post where, I want to tell the world about this kid because he's so amazing. And, he followed his dreams, and his parents helped him pursue those dreams and, achieve his goals. And we're very proud of him. This is his second short movie, and he's 17, guys. So, I mean, I don't need to say any more. Because a child who is happy will progress in life. A child who is unhappy, he may progress short term, but long term he or she will be miserable. So it's very important for parents to really listen, sit back, listen, and I'm not just saying listen with your ears, but observe and see what it is that, the child's passion is, and then try to push them in that direction, because half the time we don't know what our kids like.
Yep.
And you're not going to know if you're not watching, hearing, observing closely.
That's true.
So I just wanted to share, my opinion on that, and, because this is something that's happened today. So I was excited to call and share it.
Oh
with
no,
you guys.
please do. This is exactly what you want to do also. And of course, let us know if we can actually get an opportunity to interview the kid also.
Yeah, we'd love to.
Wonderful to find inspiration and actually share inspiration with our bandhus for sure. But thank you so much for that.
Absolutely. We can arrange for something, guys, for
Perfect.
sure.
That'd be
Yeah.
great.
All right, guys.
Thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening. तो बंदूजान आप सुन रहे हैं The Hot and Honking Drive Time Prime Time Jam Pam Pam. It is a production of Media Mahima for Radio Day Hotties, जो आप सुन सकते हैं on the Radio Day Hotties apps on iOS and Android, and also catch us live every day on Facebook, facebook.com/Radio Day Hotties. And अगर आपसे थोड़ा बहुत मिस हो गया क्योंकि आप कहीं पे चले गए थे या आप खाना खा के नैप लेके भूल गए, तो आपको जाके मौका मिलेगा facebook.com/Radio Day Hotties पे जाके फिर से देखने का, या हमारे YouTube चैनल पे हमें फॉलो करने का. Radio Day Hotties is our channel. Again, Radio Day Hotties is our channel. You can go and follow us over there. And of course, if you're watching this and you're liking it, so many of you are sending us hearts, please share this video wherever you think you can spread the love and you can spread the message. That is all that we ask of you. Or kuch nahi, please spread the message, because there's more people that need to talk about it, because we're all allies of one another and we're bandhus of each other. So sunte hain abhi a beautiful gana in the voice of Shan.
Shan.
मस्ती में चलता था वो, हमको कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो. कहाँ से आया था वो, छूके हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो.
And of course, this movie actually was by Rajkumar Hirani, and of course starring the big names Amir Khan, Kareena Kapoor, Madhavan, Sharman Baweja, Raman Joshi, I suppose name is.
Sharman Joshi.
Boma Rani also, by the way.
Yeah.
A lot of people. And I think the music is by Shantanu Moita, right? Was it?
I think
it was,
so. Yeah. Yeah.
I know Shan singing.
में छाँव के जैसा, रेगिस्तान में गाँव के जैसा, मन के घाव पे मरहम जैसा था वो. हम सहने से रहते कुएं में, वो नदिया में गोते लगाता.
Bajan, this song, of course, look at the music narration when actually comes when actually you are looking for the character, the main protagonist in the whole movie, Bajan, who is taking education under somebody else's name, a proxy name.
Yeah.
And just doing all the efforts, putting all the effort just to learn because he loves to learn, right?
Huh.
Now, actually, Amir Khan ki ek aur film hai jo already zikr hua. I think Vibhaji called up and talked about it, and also even Meenakshi talked about it, right?
Yeah.
This song I want to pick from the movie, Tare Zameen Par.
Huh. Actually, he's done quite a few movies that kind of raise awareness, right? Which are kind of mold breaking and
Yeah, but
which
this
kind of make you sit up and think. Or maybe it is Raju Hirani and Vidhu Vinod Chopra.
could be.
They're the ones who made this. They're the ones who made even this other movie,
Yeah,
which challenged religious
Yeah.
stereotypes.
So that's what
Right?
we still have those kind of people who think actually. Right?
Yeah.
Anyway, Bajan, right now let me play the song for you. It's a beautiful composition, lyricist Prashun Joshi, and music by, of course, Tare Zameen Par was Shankar Ehsaan Loy, and sung, of course, by Vishal Dadlani for this song, Bajan. It actually talks about difference in people, the so-called majority, and diversity or diverse people.
कस के जूता कस के बेल्ट खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो ये सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है आज्ञाकारी है ये ऑमलेट पर ही जीते हैं ये टॉनिक सारे पीते हैं वक्त पे सोते वक्त पे खाते तान के सीना बढ़ते जाते दुनिया का नारा चले रहो
This is majority potential. How the majority people live. Oh my goodness, that's so true.
दुनिया का नारा
And now they talk about diverse individuals. It's so beautiful, okay? The way Shankar Ehsaan music पर लगा है इसके लिए. Beautiful. Now comes the description of the diverse individual, like
Yeah.
it was different.
क्या कॉन्ट्रास्ट है यार.
यहाँ अलग अंदाज है जैसे छिड़ता कोई साज है हर काम को टाला करते हैं ये सपने पाला करते हैं
ये हरदम सोचा करते हैं ये खुद से पूछा करते हैं क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो
Why दुनिया का नाम जमे रहो, right?
Yeah.
क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो ये वक्त के कभी गुलाम नहीं इन्हें किसी बात का ध्यान नहीं तितली से मिलने जाते हैं ये पेड़ों से बतियाते हैं ये हवा बटोरा करते हैं बारिश की बूंदे पड़ते हैं और आसमान के कैनवस पे ये कलाकारियां करते हैं क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो
But yeah, I think it's a very nice thing. I've not seen the movie. If you want to watch it, watch it. It's called Tare Zameen Par Banujan.
Yeah.
And today, of course, we're talking about social issues. So we're talking about how Indian cinema actually shown some light on some social issues. Not that everything they do, they cover all social issues. अभी तक तो ऐसा भी कोई टॉपिक नहीं आया जो हमारे बंधु लोगों ने शेयर किया बोला कि अरे इसके ऊपर कभी कोई स्टोरी नहीं बना.
हाँ.
तो ऐसे क्यों लगता है? But if you're listening to right now, have you ever thought of the fact that अरे इस issue पे story क्यों नहीं बनी भाई?
हाँ.
Have you thought of it?
हाँ.
Right? If you have, give us a call here 408-912-2479. If you haven't also, give us a call here. So probably you believe that every situation has been addressed, every issue has been addressed by Indian cinema. अगर ऐसा कोई बात है तो आपको कॉल करके बता सकते हैं आप लोग अरे हमारी इंडियन सिनेमा बहुत अच्छी काम करती है उन्होंने एक्चुअली सभी टॉपिक पे कुछ तो कुछ फिल्म बनाया.
हाँ.
Then we'll come up with the topic and ask you इसके ऊपर बनाया कि नहीं. लेकिन उससे अगर पहले आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना पड़ेगा 4089122479 4089122479.
That's right. So 408-912-2479 इस नंबर पे आपको कॉल करना है. And you know, actually आल्तू बाबा, ये जो पर्टिकुलर मूवी है न्यूरो डिवर्सिटी के बारे में इसने टच किया, राइट? कि जैसे बच्चों को डिफरेंट बच्चों को कैसे एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए and how to treat them, or the trauma that the family goes through or the child goes through without really realizing कि हर बच्चा एक जैसा नहीं होता है. Not all of them are the same. Not everybody can be disciplined by एक चाटा मार के या एक लाफा मार के या उसको मतलब जो स्टिक लेके बिठा के रट्टा मरवा के, like no child, not every child is like that, and not every child is it possible, and every child is so different. And what I loved about this is ये तितलियों से बतलाते हैं, पेड़ों से क्या, it's like तितलियों के पीछे भागते हैं. It's like you should actually watch this movie, Banjan. In fact, I can't stop recommending this movie to anybody. I just have to tell everybody I see about it. ये एक movie है, Netflix पे है, please watch करिएगा. It's a movie called The Reason I Jump. एक डॉक्यू फीचर है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत मूवी है बंजान. अगर आपको आइडिया नहीं है न्यूरो डिवर्सिटी क्या है, आपने ऑटिस्टिक लोगों को देखा है, कुछ लोगों को, एंड लोग जनरली क्या होता है, ये बहुत ही गलत फहमी होती है कि ऑटिज्म बोले तो उनका दिमाग बहुत अच्छा चलता है, उनका ये इंजीनियर होते हैं, टूटसी या व्हाट यू कॉल द ब्यूटीफुल माइंड, वैसे वाले ये होते हैं. बट दिस मूवी इज़ एक्चुअली क्रॉनिकलिंग द लाइव्स ऑफ अबाउट 4 different or 5 different individuals, बंजान. बहुत how everybody is so different yet so similar in some emotions and some aspects. So it is 100% a watch for every single human being on this planet. I think every single human being has to watch it because of the fact that we all need to know that just because somebody is different or is not speaking or acting the way we think, they're not any lesser than us, and उनको सब समझता है. जो हम लोग भी सोच रहे हैं, बोल भी नहीं रहे हैं, उनको सब समझता है. It's a beautiful movie. Watch it, and you will. I really urge our bandhus who are looking at us on Facebook also.
Yeah.
Like, there is one more movie na Altu Baba which touched upon it very nicely. Commercial cinema लेते हैं. Okay. Tare Zameen Par, was it a hit?
I don't know. I think it was. It was actually didn't have many heavy big stars, and Amir Khan was more of a guest appearance, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, the main story revolves around the child and the family.
So the movie wasn't a hit then?
It was a successful hit because budget would have been lesser.
Oh, budget would have been lesser. Okay, yeah. Got it. लेकिन ये जो एक और मूवी आई थी पंजाब, जो autism के बारे में था, कि how but that movie touched upon several social issues, Altu Baba.
Okay.
Several social issues.
You think people are able to guess which movie it is? And you're saying it's a commercial movie.
It is a commercial movie, through and through commercial movie है. एक बहुत बड़े commercial star को feature किया है.
एक या दो? दो ना?
हाँ, दो बहुत बड़े commercial stars को feature किया है. And
हमारे घर के पास ही है ना?
And यहाँ पे बे एरिया में फिल्माया गया है. And here is the thing.
Hey, there are very few movies featuring neurodiversity, autism pathology. I know them. Yeah. I know of most of them actually.
And it talks about the struggles of a man who is autistic, who is struggling to mask and subsist in this society and be accepted. Not only for, क्योंकि ये intersectionality बहुत होता है पंजाब. Somebody could be autistic and gay. Somebody could be autistic and a person of color. Somebody could be autistic and a person who is a Muslim. There's also a lot of, in this movie, they also talk about the anti-Muslim bias. There's also the bigotry that comes into play in this particular movie. So ये काफ़ी सारे issues पे ऐसे touch and go किया है. करण जौहर साहब ने उनका ही मूवी है. तो आप हमें कॉल करके ये बताइए कि ये कौन सा मूवी है. उस मूवी में ऑफ कोर्स अगेन शंकर एहसान लॉय म्यूजिक, अमेजिंग सॉन्ग्स, लेकिन I don't know how many of you have actually watched the movie. It touches upon, again, autism and neurodiversity and the struggles of a person who is like that. So आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479. मुझे मालूम है काफ़ी सारे हमारे बंधु जो सुन रहे हैं देख रहे हैं, आपको ऑलरेडी मालूम होगा, तो ज़रूर कॉल करें 408-912-2479.
408-912-2479. विभा जी, आपका आंसर जो है ना kind of is it also is I would agree with that.
Yeah.
But कॉल कीजिएगा for sure 408-912-2479 408-912-2479.
मुझे यहाँ तक मालूम है कि मीनाक्षी जी ने हमारे बोलने के बाद इस मूवी को देखा और उन्होंने कहा बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Oh really? तो मीनाक्षी जी कॉल कीजिएगा, क्या फिल्म देखा हमारे बोलने के बाद आपने? 408-912-2479. जब तक आप हमें कॉल कर ले, we listen to one song from the movie. एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा.
जो के जाने दे तेरे ख्यालों में बीते रातें, दिल मेरा मांगे एक ही दुआ, तू सामने हो और करूं मैं बातें, लम्हा रहे यूं ठहरा हुआ. पहले तो कभी यूं मुझको ना ऐसा कुछ हुआ, दीवानी लहरों को जैसे साहिल मिला. एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. वो मेरे सोने आवे छड़ सारी गलियां में, नाल तेरे तुर चलिया मैं, ले चलूं मुझको दुनिया से तू दूर. चोरी चोरी जद तेनू तकिया मैं, खुद को संभाल न सकिया मैं, चढ़ गया सजना तेरा ये फितूर. लंघ जानी रे मर जानी ना, कहनी जो थी कह दे वो बात. लंघ जानी रे मर जानी ना, कहनी जो थी कह दे वो बात.
And of course, Bhajan, music by Rochak Kohli, Bhajan, lyrics by Gurpreet Saini, and of course, voiced by Darshan Rawal and Rochak Kohli himself.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा.
And of course, Bhajan, मूवी का टाइटल सॉन्ग था, इसलिए मूवी के बारे में पूछा नहीं हमने. Well, फिल्म में दो तीन अच्छे गाने थे, not thing, but this is a Vidhu Vinod Chopra movie. His sister Juhi, right? Juhi.
His sister actually was the one who.
Wasn't her name Juhi? I thought her name was Juhi. I might be mistaken, Bhajan. As you know me, I always forget names and everything. But of course, Bhajan, अच्छा फिल्म था, देखिए ज़रूर. If it's a good pastime, if you want to watch it. Rajkumar Rao is starring opposite. No, he's just Rajkumar there. Rajkumar Rao is there, and then there's Anil Kapoor,
Yeah.
who steals the show.
Yeah.
And we also have Sonam Kapoor, who actually has been given the role.
Right.
Yeah.
And I think this is one movie, Bandajan, which we got an opportunity, of course. For those of you who don't know, those of you who are watching us, Vidhu Vinod Chopra is like considered almost like the what do you call the Sidney Poitier, I think, of Indian cinema. And उनके साथ जब हमने बात किया था, he had talked about why. I mean, of course, he didn't give away it wasn't a spoiler. He didn't give away why we need to go and watch this movie. And he just kept saying again and again. He said, "Alto falto, you guys have to go see the end of this particular. You have to see it because people like you need to talk about this more." And इसी वजह से हम लोग social issues सोमवार कर रहे हैं, right?
ये कोई नई टॉपिक नहीं, हम लोग करते आ रहे हैं कुछ ना कुछ social issues के बारे में, because we talk about, see, हमारा show is not just us, right?
Yeah.
It's about what you would like to listen to.
Right.
And अगर आपको कोई suggestion है, if you actually want to come and do a show with us, you're welcome to do it, Bandajan. Who said no? We are the ones who actually broke the barrier of radio.
Yeah.
Radio is no longer just a radio. Radio is a life right now, right?
Right.
And we actually can tap into entertainment anytime you want. And we try to make sure we give you good quality entertainment, which is, you certified, that is certified by you guys.
Correct. You certified.
Yeah, it's not by
क्योंकि हमारे लिए आप काफी हैं.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, true, Father. And by the way, you never got the answer for your question.
My question, yes. Meenakshi ji said she saw the movie, but she's not saying which movie it is. But we got the answer on Facebook. Do we have time to take callers, Altu Baba, or should we leave it open?
We'll leave it open. I can end up with a particular song of the movie.
Yeah.
Yeah, बहुत सारी movies है feature करने के लिए, लेकिन हमारा 2 घंटे का show में we might be able to justice a few of them also. But don't worry, bring it back again. Social issues कभी जाता नहीं है यार. We'll talk about these also. We'll talk about what social issues are ignored by the Indian cinema, so they can actually take a lesson from our show.
Huh.
They do take all lessons from our show. In fact, they take all things from our show also. That's okay. It'll be fine. As long as we get good cinema, right, Faltu Rani?
Yes, that's true. लेकिन शाहरुख खान होता है, आमिर खान होता है, आलतू बाबा होता है, फालतू रानी होती है.
Exactly.
There's no other. I don't think. And बंदूस होते हैं.
Yeah.
Right? You can't just replicate anybody.
Yeah.
Right? तो ये beautiful movie है बनुजन. The reason I say this, बहुत सारे लोगों ने कहा कि शाहरुख खान साहब ने overact किया है.
I don't think so.
He's played beautifully.
Yeah.
Very beautifully. He has played this role. And
people who said that are people who have not come across neurodiversity.
Yeah. Yeah.
Neurodiversity, आप experience करोगे तब मालूम होगा. Come to one of the events of Pragya for sure. I can guarantee you will go happy. You'll go relax. You'll see the kind of difference.
Yeah.
There's true enjoyment there.
And more than happy, Banajan, it is just that sense of gratitude for what we are blessed with.
Yeah.
So, Zarur check out kare pragnya.org. But if you haven't seen this movie, should we give it out, Alta Baba?
Tell them.
My Name is Khan.
No, it's
Banajan.
not Faltu Rani.
No, the name of the movie. The Jage face, definitely catch that flick if you haven't seen it. This is a beautiful movie which talks about the struggles of a man who's trying to make it in a world which is ruled by the neuro-majority people, and also his intersectionality of the fact that he is Muslim and how that also plays into the mix is beautifully shown in this movie. It's a lovely song. Adnan Sami की आवाज़ में और शंकर महादेवन की आवाज़ में शंकर एहसान लॉय का कॉम्पोजिशन है. निरंजन आयंगार के बोल हैं बदजान. This is नूरे खुदा. इसी के साथ हम आपको छोड़े जाएंगे. We'll be back tomorrow morning with Good Morning Bay. Don't forget to tune in right here on facebook.com/Radio D Hotties or on the Radio D Hotties apps on iOS and Android. हमें इजाज़त दीजिए. Good night.
शब्बा खैर.
And प्यार भरा. Mwah.
जलती हुई तन्हाइयाँ, रूठी हुई परछाइयाँ, कैसी उड़ी ये हवा, छाया ये कैसा समा.
Hi, this is Shankar.
Hi, this is Ehsan.
Hi, this is Lloyd. And you're listening to Radio D Hotties.
We hope you're loving the music. The best music with the best entertainment. You know, where it keeps getting hotter. And that's Radio D Hotties. And haha, मैं आपकी फालतू रानी. सुनते रहिएगा. There's more lovely music that we've lined up.